Casey with Off Leash Canine, and today we have Izzy and Charlie. Izzy and Charlie are two golden retriever sisters that are 1 year old. And the reason why they come to us today is because their parents say that they cannot be controlled. They like to pull on leash, they like to jump all over people. Unfortunately, they don't feel comfortable or confident to take them into public places. They also like to feed off of each other, so when one does a bad thing, the other one follows. So they want to go ahead and get that straightened out and give them a better structure so that they can live happily as a family. Let's go ahead and see what the girls know. Now that we've seen what the girls know, let's go ahead and get on to their 2-week transformation.
Izzy.
And I'm Melissa, and this is Charlie.
And we have had the pleasure of having Casey as our phenomenal trainer. The girls have, that is, and now we are being trained, of course. But they've been working with Casey for 2 weeks, and we just have to say we are in awe. We had tears in our eyes today. Been walking around with them every night. All we could do is sit there and wait for Casey's video to tell us how they've been doing, and just amazed at what they've transformed into in just 2 weeks. It's great. What do you think, Melissa?
I'm blown away. I think one of the biggest things we were concerned with was them feeling at home and feeling really good with Casey, as opposed to just having someone kind of put you up, take you out, put you up, take you out. And that was not the case. There's no question that the girls felt like they were at home. And better yet, Casey has been able to get the girls to do things that's going to allow us to take them on family vacations, out anywhere that we go. And that's after 2 weeks. There's no question we're going to keep going back for little goodies to try and keep improving their confidence and how happy they are, because this is the ultimate training, but also love to give your dogs.
Yeah,
cool.
That's something to, yeah, we could just see in what she'd send us every day, just how happy they were. Their tails were wagging the whole time, even though she was just working them. We knew she was working them like crazy. So they were loved. We missed them, but we are so happy. We know we're going to enjoy them and love them even more now.
Awesome.
So proud of you
Awesome.
girls.
Thank you, guys.
Proud of Casey. Thank you, Casey. We love you.
Thank you.